of thank you long Mission Foundation. People are happy to you now, you will depend on partners. Government to you, or Arab online or Mission Foundation, or Arab like two staff. So you must get some support.
Sometimes they run this hospital for 1 hour only on power saving power. That's our struggle.
All picking in now, only stop the people are because level long immunization coverage long play stop close to I think 18%. And that's not true. So vaccination is important. This is now free CM Kanya M1 very important equipment long supporting work long immunization inside Long Island.
So now that we have an ice maker, now people can make him ice. We can pack it into small cool storage, and then our team can actually carry it out into the villages and do back.
And people realize that these vaccine features to liquid or help plenty manameri, especially of beginning. Time workload, help of prevention of side disease. Plenty time you miss look time online sickness. But immunization, vaccination, all that are important because they are protecting health and immune system to make help fighting diseases. And so we are proud to partner with the province to bring in more essential services for all Madang.